Imagine a hot and sunny day in Nigeria and you're searching for a light and refreshing treat to indulge in. What is better than a delicious parfait? Today, I'll share with you my ultimate recipe to make this delicious parfait. It is very simple and perfect for everyone. This parfait is probably one of the best delicious desserts that exist. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And to my OGs in this channel, thank you for always stopping by. First step to making the best parfait is to know the ingredients you will need to make this. In general, you will need a yogurt. Yogurt is actually the key ingredient to make this. I'll be making use of strawberry. I'll be making use of grape as well. I am making use of kiwi. Flex around with the fruits you want to make use of. I am making use of granola. I have a video on my channel on how to make this granola. One thing with this granola is that this granola does not take more than 2 days for it to finish in my house. This is what everybody crave for. It is very delicious. In fact, this granola is tempting. I plan to use this to make this video, and now look at what I have remaining with me. That is to show you how delicious and healthy this granola is. So don't forget to watch how to make this granola when you're done with this. I'm making use of my apple. Of course, I'm adding my cashew nuts to it. I am adding my coconut flakes. I am adding honey to it. Adding honey to your parfait is just optional. It all depends. If you're a sweet tooth lover, then you can drizzle honey to your parfait. After assembling all the ingredients, the next thing you have to do is to prepare all your fruit. This is kiwi, so we'll proceed to peeling off the back while we get ready to make this delicious parfait. I want you to see how economical I am being with this kiwi. I had to slice out 3 out of the kiwi to keep it so that I'll use it to garnish, while I slice the remaining kiwi into cube shape. Should you understand what I mean by cube, Abby? So we are still going to repeat the same thing with this apple. We're going to slice this apple into cube as well, because we're going to use this to garnish our parfait. At this point, I am done assembling all the fruits for my parfait. So I had to scoop in some yogurt to my cup. Then I add my granola. One thing with parfait making is you add according to your choice. Just like I just added 3 spoons of granola, you might decide to add 2 spoons depending on your choice. So after that, I had to add my fruits all into the cup. I made sure I had to put small portion of each of these fruits into my cup. I added my cashew nuts, then I added my yogurt again. The consistency of your yogurt depends on your choice. If you want yours to be very thick, or if you want yours to be a bit runny. So I want mine to be a bit runny, because after now I'll be putting it back to the fridge and it will get to thicken again. Like I mentioned to you earlier, drizzling of honey depends on your choice and if you're a sweet tooth lover. So you just play around with it and add anything you want to add at any given time. So I love to make this almost every weekend, because I can't afford to be spending my money almost every weekend just for parfait when I know how to do this. So I just make this in bulk sometimes and keep it at home. I know you like to know if parfait is good for children. Yes, parfait is good for children. Parfait is a kind of dessert that contains yogurt, fruits and granola, and this yogurt is made of 70% of milk and 30% of water. So tell me why this is not good for children. But first, you need to consider if your child is allergic to milk before you serve them parfait. I usually do get this question a lot from my offline students. If parfait is healthy for old people? Definitely, parfait is healthy for them. Parfait can be a healthy option for elder people depending on the ingredients used. A typical parfait consists of layers of yogurt, fresh fruits and granola. Yogurt is a good source of protein, calcium and probiotic beneficial for digestion. And you know, fresh fruits are packed with vitamin, mineral and antioxidants. And you know, these are most of the things our old parents need. So guys, in overall, what I mean is that a well-balanced parfait is nutritious, enjoyable and a very good treat for older parents and for little children as well, even for you and adults. So why don't you give it a try and see how you glow like a morning star. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this time, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your loved one, because definitely you might know or have someone who wants to see this kind of video. So don't forget to share and then turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified when I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP, you know that, right? Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, we just made the second and the third cup of parfait, and I know you're enjoying it already, right? One thing with parfait is that you can play around with it, add any ingredient you want to add at any given time. You can decide to add your apple before your granola. You can decide to add your granola before your apple, your strawberry, your grape, kiwi, coconut flakes, whatever ingredients you have to add to your parfait, you can do that. And look how amazing this is looking. I know you want to have some, right? So why don't you try yours? Give this a try. Come to my comment section and tell me how it went. I have a video on my channel on how to make granola. I have a video on how to make yogurt as well. So don't forget to watch this video, subscribe, like, and see you in my next video. Bye.